Okay, Agnes, this is what you're going to do. You're going to press the control button and the print screen, and you're going to take a copy of this, um, your syllabus your tables that you want, and then you're going to open up a new page, which you're going to click on above. So let's go to the open page, and then you're going to copy and paste that onto a blank page. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and right mouse click it, and then you're going to save it as a picture. And I'm just going to write syllabus. So I'm going to save that. And now down here at the bottom, I don't think you can see it here on the screen. Let's see if I can capture that. No, it doesn't capture. There is going to be like a little button or something that's going to, let's go ahead and go into your file. I'm sorry, never mind that, what I just said. You're going to go into your photos or wherever you have your videos, pictures. So I have lots of them. So I said syllabus. I'm going to go and capture that screen, open it up. Okay. Try to keep it in, I like to keep it in this little, button here. I don't know why my speaker went out. Let's see. Okay, so anyways, so what you're going to do is you're going to crop it. So you're going to click on this button right here, and you're going to crop the picture. Let's bring it over here so you can see it. Now, I like to click on it, so open it up a little bit more. So now you're going to crop your picture because it's what you told it to do, right? See that little box? So you're going to take that and you're going to take it until you minimize it or crop it to the area that you want. See, as it gets smaller, you're going to get rid of all the stuff you don't need in it. And now you're going to save it. So find the save button. It should be around here somewhere. So at the bottom right here, see, you're going to save. You're going to not do the copy. I like to do the save because we're not going to save a copy. We just want to save the original. We're only going to use it the one time. Okay, so, oops, that's my son. And there you go. You capture it again. We'll open it back up. And so now you can go onto your canvas. Okay, so now you're in Canvas, and now what I want to do is upload it. So let's just upload it. I'm not going to completely do this, but let's do the sandbox here, since it's not a real thing. And then we're going to go into Files, and we're going to, one or two things, you can do it this way or not. It's up to you. So now we're going to choose a file to upload. Go to my images or pictures, whatever you have it labeled. Typically, I would put this inside the file that I'm working on for the class. What happened to it? I guess I should have this open already. Sorry, I have a lot of. Okay, so here's our open. We're going to open that up. And then this is how you're going to upload it into your. So I'll go into your syllabus. And I would copy and paste some elements of your syllabus. After you hit edit, you're going to go ahead and whatever you're copying, whatever's going to be here, and then you're going to make sure that you include whatever information you're going to include that's impertinent for the just a quick glance, and then you're going to add the file, which you can do, as you already know, by itself. And then there you go. Or you can do it that way, which you probably don't want to. So you're going to go to Canvas, go into your course files, your syllabus, and then you're going to upload the file. Already did that. Darn it. Oh, sorry, hit the wrong button. And there you go, and you have it in your syllabus. So don't forget, you need to add this information here, right? So you need to add all that information, and then that statement's already here. In my case, my statement's already here, but maybe you didn't have that. Maybe you're just uploading the box. So you would make sure that that statement's here. And again, what other, like the heading of your syllabus on the top part. So copy and paste what you can here. Again, it's just very minimal. Doesn't have to have everything because again, you're going to have your syllabus. So you're going to have above your syllabus information, you're going to have your actual file for your syllabus that you're going to upload onto Canvas. And it's just going to be a file. Then you're going to add all your information that's pertinent, just quick information, quick at a glance, like your detailed information, that kind of thing. And then have this here. And then then you're going to update your syllabus. So when you're going to screenshot it, you want to make sure that all of this information is shown up on your, like all of your details. So let me scoot over a little bit here. So you want to make sure when you're screenshotting it, it's going to include your Mount SAC information so that they know that it's you. I hope that helps. If not, I can always redo this because it's kind of fun. Bye.